online business courses, the top 3 in December 2018. Hello there from Best Promo Coupons. Today is 8th of December 2018 and I'm about online business courses that we have select for this month of December. So I'm on business category in our website Best Promo Coupons, and the first course that I will start with is called the Complete Stock Market Starter Toolkit for Beginners. It is down off with 62%, which means you can enroll for the course just for $45 and the original price is $120. What we have here, we have 78 lessons and this course is done by the Indian Inside. The rating is really good. As you see there, 20 ratings to 4.5, and this offer ends in 6 days. There is certification included when you complete the course. Alright, so this course talks about the stock market. As you know, this is one of the most traded and preferable markets among the traders. And of course, in order to start trading on the stock market, you need to have a sustainable knowledge. And if you are planning to invest on the stock market, you really need to have an idea about it, to start from the beginning, just to make sure that you're not risking your money, you're not risking your capital, and you will be able actually to make some profits instead of losses. Normally, all online business courses start with the very basics, and this course will put you in deeper through analyzing corporate financial statements and performing technical analysis, and you will get familiar with all necessary tools and you will gain the knowledge you need to play on the market smartly and effectively. Alright, here we have access to 78 lectures, which is about 6 hours and 30 minutes of content, and you will be focusing exactly on the stock trading. Basically, you will go through the first steps that you need to know before you start the actual trading. You will learn to analyze financial statements using ratio analysis and common size analysis. You will learn to apply technical analysis for investment and trading and profit from a trade setup for all time frames and asset classes. So for the beginner traders, what means time frames? When we are trading on the stock market, we can trade on different time frames. So if we have, for example, H1 time frames, that means that on the chart each bar or each candlestick represents 1 hour. If we have a daily chart or daily time frame, then 1 bar will represent 1 day. Okay, the Indian Inside is a niche stock advisory and education firm founded by Mr. Yash Utmani, who has 8 years of experience trading on the Indian markets, including stocks, bonds, short-term interest rates, futures, and currency futures. And what he has specialized in is techno-funda analysis with social emphasis on Elliott wave analysis. He has also been involved in engagements with top-notch Swiss UK-based investment banks for implementing risk management systems. Now, if we have a quick look at the course outline, we will say that we have stock and stock market basics. So as I said, all online business courses start with the basic, then we have stock exchanges, financial intermediaries, stock indexes, where you will basically get familiar with these three. We have the queries on stock market trading, understanding financial statements, which is very important, of course, in finance. And then we have the common size analysis of financial statements, financial ratio analysis, which is as well key point in finance, where you will understand how these financial ratios are being calculated and how useful they could be: profitability ratios, liquidity ratios, valuation ratios, and so on. Okay, then what we have is the introduction to charts. This is what I said about the time frames, where we are having as well charts as bar, as line, or as candlesticks. At the end of the day, it's one and the same information that we see on the chart, is just represented with a different outlook. Okay, then we have the gaps in trading. This is something very common for the stock market. Okay, and then we have support and resistance concepts, which is very popular in forex trading as well, if you have an idea about it. Basically, the support shows us where the price might stop if it is going down, and the resistance shows where the price might stop if it is going up. Okay, and then we have the trend lines and trend channels, very popular to trading as well, and we have technical indicators. So if you're keen and stock market, if you're interested in investing in stocks, this course is a great start for you. Alright, the second course is Investment Bank Training Bundle. Now this course is 87% off, meaning that you can enroll for $39, and it is done by the EDU CBA. Okay, great rating. What you see here, 312 ratings, and it's keeping the maximum of 5-star, which is kind of very rare nowadays to see such a rating with a single course. This course has 99 hours of content. This is really a huge course, and you can see 3,115 students enrolled so far. You will master in this course the financial modeling to acing job interviews, and it will prepare you to take the investment banking industry by storm. This is what it says in the description. Okay, now with 99 top sellable courses, 500 hours of videos, you can see the course is divided in 5 pieces. The first piece is investment banking trading. 26 courses are over here. Alright, then we have the advanced investment banking modeling training. We have 20 courses here. Then we have investment banking adds on, and the fourth one is investment banking foundation courses, which are 23 courses, and the last fifth part is soft skills for investment bankers. So with this bundle you actually receive many courses, and for this price is just really great offer. And to have an idea about the instructor, this is Dheeraj Vaidya, who is the creator of Wall Street Mojo, helps students and professionals succeed in the financial sector with online learning. Alright, he has many years of experience, and he's quite popular actually in the niche. So if you are really looking to get into deep details about banking and investment banking, this one course we have selected it from many online business courses which are related to investment banking. Okay, the third course is called Cryptocurrency Course with Chris Haroun. Now you know the cryptocurrencies already fell a lot. They are not what they used to be in the beginning of 2018, but however many people still trade those, and if you're actually trading them you can benefit even when the price is going down. Now this course is led by award-winning MBA professor, top-selling author and former Goldman Sachs employee Chris Haroun. This training takes more than 5 courses and wraps them into a single cryptocurrency education. Okay, you have about 23 hours and 30 minutes of content, over 213 lectures. You don't need to have any previous experience in cryptocurrency or finance, and you will look into different cryptocurrencies and wallets and analyze their pros and cons. As well, with this course you will learn about the wallets, you will explore 10 different cryptocurrencies and their distinct pros and cons. You will dive into 5 different exchanges and how to transact each other. Okay, this is very important, because in the beginning, when the cryptocurrencies got famous, it was really huge uncertainty around where the people should turn to, which exchanges to use, and so on. Now the instructor, I would like to talk a little bit more about him because he's really a nice guy. I have watched many of his videos, but Haroun as a professor, okay, something that really we don't see a lot in the online courses, but he's as well author of 101 crucial lessons they don't teach you in business school. I don't know if you have read the book, but it's great. If you haven't, you should take it and spend some time on it. He is also the author of the Ultimate Practical Business Manual, everything you need to know about business from launching a company to taking it public. With this course, he will bring you through the whole process, and on the right side there is a huge course outline that I'm not going to talk about in details. If you're interested, you can just look at it. The course discounted with 94% down to $11.99, and it is from $200. Okay, the last course that we want to talk about is the New York Forex Institute Trading and Certification course, down with 97% to $19. So the original price is $895. We have maximum rating here as well. And this course is if you're really looking to become, for example, an investment manager, or if you're looking to increase your knowledge to grow your net worth. At the end of the course, you will understand the foundations of finance and techniques to bring in huge sums of money with a certificate to show it all off. You will learn as well the mysteries of the market with New York Forex Institute's training and certificate course. Alright, and in this course there are many downloadable resources that you can use as well without any extra cost, and bonus products include Forex Trading Blueprint, Forex Digital flashcards, access to Forex article database. Okay, who is the instructor? This course is made by the New York Forex Institute, which offers online courses so that anyone can learn how to buy, sell, and exchange courses. It employs great instructors that make it easy to understand principles and strategies so that students will be trading in no time. For more details on this course and the instructor, you can use the link over here. Okay, the only requirement we have is good internet connection, nothing really more, and you need to have really huge desire to learn, because this course is with 124 hours of content, so this is nearly 1 week of videos, and you will need to spend a lot of time on this course. Okay guys, so these were the 5 courses that we have selected for the week. I hope some of those will be useful to you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us. The offers are available just a few days more. So if you're really looking for great online business courses, these could be really life-changing courses because they're extremely informational, very useful, and I am sure that everyone will benefit taking any of these courses. Our job is to filter so many courses over the internet and at the end to provide you with those that really worth spending time on. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us. Cheers!